Good morning, class. Today I'm going to read the article Predicting and Preparing for Natural Disasters. It is the second reading in unit number 7 on natural disasters, and it's on page 208. So please listen carefully. In 2011, there were 820 natural disasters all over the world. They killed more than 27,000 people and caused 380 billion in damage. In most years, an average of 65,000 people die in natural disasters. Many others lose their homes in the destruction. How can we prepare for these terrible losses? One way to prevent these losses is to predict natural disasters. With new technology, scientists can now predict some events. Satellites show massive storms as they develop over the oceans. Special equipment shows when there is movement under the earth. When there is an earthquake deep in the ocean, scientists can predict a tsunami. Earthquakes are much more difficult to predict. Some people believe that animals know when an earthquake is coming. For example, in Haicheng, China, in February 1975, many animals began to behave strangely. Government officials believed this was a warning that an earthquake was coming. They ordered everyone to leave the city. A few days later, there was a strong earthquake. The next year, there was a stronger earthquake in another city in China. This time, however, animals did not behave strangely. Most scientists believe that it is only possible to predict where an earthquake is likely to happen. They do not believe that it's possible to predict the precise date and time of an earthquake. Scientists know that before some earthquakes occur, there are often small movements or tremors that shake the earth. It is possible that animals may feel these movements and begin to act strangely. However, because earthquakes do not always follow these tremors, scientists cannot use these events to predict earthquakes accurately. Although we cannot predict most natural disasters, it is possible to prepare for them. Many governments have warning systems. When a big storm or tsunami is coming, the warning system can tell people to move away. This can save lives. Japan is it's a world leader in preparing for earthquakes and tsunamis. After an earthquake in Kyoto in 1975, they built an early warning system. When a massive earthquake hit Japan in 2011, there was a warning a few seconds after the first tremor. Although many people died, thousands of others lived because of the warning. They were able to escape the tsunami that followed the earthquake. Unfortunately, in many areas of the world, there are no warning systems. Scientists predicted the tsunami of 2004, but there was no warning system for thousands of people along the coast of the Indian Ocean. The people who live in zones with frequent natural disasters should also prepare for them. They should store extra food and water. They should make a plan to contact and find the people in their family if there is a disaster. They should know where to find important news and information. Education about natural disasters is crucial. Schools can teach children what to do in a disaster and to understand the warning signs of a disaster. An 11-year-old tourist named Tilly Smith was on a beach in Thailand with her family on December 26, 2004. A lot of bubbles appeared in the water. Then the water went out very far. The beach was almost dry. Tilly remembered a school lesson about tsunamis and she knew they were warning signs. She told her parents, they told others. Many people were able to run to a safe place. Natural disasters can cause terrible damage and loss of life. We cannot prevent them. However, we can predict some kinds of disasters, and our ability to predict other kinds of disasters is improving. We can also prepare for disasters. If people and governments prepare carefully, we can reduce the consequences of natural disasters. Thank you.